This facility went into operations in 1962, serving the major portion of Los Angeles County. The skimmers we're addressing here are below the individual plates on the ground, each with two handles. Says it's a two-person job and did not eliminate human error of dropping a plate into the skimmer. It got worse when the skimmers was in motion and back injury resulted in a comp claim. You're seeing a prototype right now, 304 stainless steel form foundation frame. The T-handle on top you're seeing was the industry standard at the time for security and gaining access. We improved that feature in the remaining four fixtures you're about to see opened. This 15-foot long and 4-foot wide door opens and closes with simplicity. The top surface has a non-slip coating for safety. Now you see the improvement in when unlocking these large doors and how easy it is. The daily skimmer time task was reduced by 70% at this facility, and Vault Access Solutions has improved approximately 11 locations